Dear students, today we will learn two Chinese words, 知道 and 认识. First, we will see 知道. It means to know or to be aware of or have knowledge of someone or know that person, but that person may not know you or what you are aware of. Now we will see 认识. It means to know someone or understand or to be familiar with or to meet a person. 我知道小张 but 小张 may not know me. 认识 indicates a degree of familiarity with an object or person or idea. To recognized person and also knows them, you know. In person, what you are familiar with, recognize something. 我认识小张 means I know 小张 and 小张 also knows me. 你知道 Obama 是谁吗？ Do you know Obama? 我知道 Obama 是谁 I know who is Obama. 你认识吗？ Do you know Obama in person? 我不认识 I don't know Obama in person. 你怎么知道 How do you know? 你知道比赛的结果 Do you know the result of the match? 我不知道老师的意思 I don't know what the teacher means. 很高兴认识你 So happy to meet you. 我认识这个汉字I know this Chinese character. 你得以认识到你的错误 You must recognize your mistakes. Somebody tells you not to be late for your appointment. I 知道 Tom Cruise 是谁 but don't 认识 him. I have heard of Shanghai. I'm familiar with Shanghai. 你知道这个地方吗？ Do you know this place? 我不知道 I don't know.